Guys, this is my before. Rose is about to give me a makeover. A glow up. So catch my before.
Mama,
Looking cray.
What have you left to while you're here? And I give you my pillow too.
Mama is filming now, not now, okay?
Okay.
Go play in your room. Go on. No, you can't help what auntie gonna do. It's something very important that you can't do. If you guys notice, my face has definitely changed since Rose here because my facial was lit, honey. And this morning she showed me how to maintain
daily routine.
She's behind me. So yeah, we did that this morning, and now she's going to do my hair. Actually, this is a wig, so she's gonna curl and do what she do, and then
finish styling the wig basically.
Yeah, and then she's going to show me how to do simple makeup that I can manage on my own. Yes, because the girl just throw things on her face and don't know the proper way of doing it. So Rose is going to use her professionalism. Say hello to Faves.
Hello.
And Sarah is down here in front of me. You want to hug Faves?
Yes.
How are you gonna do that?
That.
It's alright. They get it.
Kiss.
Kiss to Faves. Mwah. Alright, stop with up my lens.
Oh, he's actually using the lens.
Literally. Alright, go play in your room. Go.
Heavy, but it's
hey girl,
super smooth.
Okay, you guys, so this is the look so far. Rose did the entire face and this eye, this eyeshadow, and I did this eyebrow, and I did this eyebrow as just to learn. But now that I'm looking, I think mine is a little bit need to blend out some more, so I'm just gonna fix that. But I think I did well. So I did this one and Rosie this one, but she's cooking right now and then she's gonna finish the look. She is so good at what she does. I love it. I'll come back and show you guys what the finished look looks like. But you girls beat Rose going away meal. There you go. She made roast chicken and jollof rice that I'm gonna taste for the first time, and vegetables. After she beat my face, she's going home. I didn't tell you guys that Rose is going home today, but she beat my face first with my wig on, girl. And I'm gonna show you the end product of when the wig is laid properly and all that good stuff. Yes, Ty? Eat all of your food, please. And of course, I'm eating jollof rice for the first time, and it is heaven. It is so good. Yes, you are. Is it yummy?
This is jollof rice.
Yes, you like it?
Yes, I love jollof rice.
Good. It's yummy.
But the jollof rice is good. You can eat is this good?
Very good, and we're having plantains too. It is really, really good. All the flavors in it. Oh God.
Mel, you see when I bring that bay leaf, it's like it lifts everything and it just pushes it into the
Who
rice.
teach you to make
God.
jollof rice? Oh. Well.
You're on.
Hey guys, so I've styled Mel's wig.
Is it Rose talented?
It's revived. Go into the lights. So I've just revived it, and we've done some pin curls, and I've just styled the hair, cut a fringe, side fringe, and then done some makeup. Come into the lights so they can see the makeup properly. Guys, meet Miss Dark and Lovely. She a whole mess.
Okay, I'm done now.
Yeah, that's it.
Come say bye to Auntie. Bizu.
Kind of buys that way.
Bizu, Auntie, you're not going to see her again for now.
I miss
Oh.
Ready?
when it's Mom Makeover, you can come back into the wild to go to Canada.
We'll go to Canada. He's stuck on that trip. I'm gonna have to take him to Canada. We're going to Montreal, so you're gonna save all the money, yeah?
Come.
Yes.
My battery are dead. Come on.
Because
Miss Soft Sheen. Content 2019.
Go tell Sarah bye-bye.
Goodie. But you mustn't tell anybody where the money is. It's a secret, okay? It's a secret. So we're saving 100 euros, okay? 100. And then when I come back, we'll go to Montreal.
I know, but I read up our hat with your red hat, yeah, lip.
This is my baby. Oh, hold on. This is it? I want to see so. You're not going to take her out for me to just give her
Of
one
course,
hug?
me I go take her out. So you want me to take her out?
Hold on.
Somebody read her up.
Oh. It's alright. You know how much I'm gonna miss you? Doing all my silliness with you. Yeah. Who's that?
Say bye,
I'm
Auntie.
gonna miss you so much.
Come.
Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. Today I've been a busy day for me. I went to another city. I missed the train. Yeah, I missed the train and went to another city. It's starting to be very, I won't say cold, but it's starting to be very chilly in the morning. So I guess the night are getting colder. Cause this morning when I went to work, I felt a little bit chilly, like I had to put on a sweater or thing like this. So yeah, I won't say the cold is here, but you can feel that it's different from July or August. But during the day, oh, it's still hot. Tomorrow should be a very, very raining day. So yeah, hopefully we're going through all of this because we have a lot to do tomorrow. So yeah, Hope you enjoy today's vlog. I hope you all had a good day. It's the beginning of the week, so yeah, we need to take the positive and only the positive. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, give this video a thumbs up, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.